Mega love shout out sa inyong lahat, guys. Thank you.
That's all the time I want to this evening.
My face is paralyzed. It is. Happy Wednesday, everybody. So President-elect Trump has nominated our very own Pete Hegseth.
Let's eat daw, sabi ni viewers ni ano.
Never heard of him. But first, Lee Zeldin and
Mega love shout out, 48 million people. Thank you so much.
Steve Doocy for Secretary of Whiteness. Judge Jeanine for
Wala na mag-premiere, no?
Brian Kilby as Loneliness Czar. Joe Biden is on
Wala akong sahod sa Jovita.
Trump on over
Hindi ko alam kung saan napunta. Walang sahod.
Trump, of course.
3 years na ito monetize, walang sahod. Hindi ko alam.
But I would have loved to have been a fly on that wall. Beats competing with the ones buzzing around Joe's head.
Hindi ko alam kung saan napunta.
Rumored to be laying off its top stars.
Ang sahod, batang halab. Bakit sayang? Oo nga.
With my Uber driver.
Awanti sahod na. Dik amo ta, naikabit sa Ken Russell. Baka sa ibang Ken Russell napunta.
Twitter. I learned that.
Dapat nga ipaano ko kung paano yan. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko gagawin.
During an
Done with the Chico and Marites. Thank you, dear. Miss Kayak, my love.
Joyce said giving away that lasagna was the most difficult.
Cooking with Mods. Thank you, dear.
Dick Van Dyke, who turns 9.
Mega love shout out. 45 ads on sis. Ayun. Thank you.
Second term.
How many times do you want me to watch? 2 times done. Oh my God.
Poor guy. Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy will head up the Department of Government Efficiency. Government workers wishing to help can submit their resignation. Finally, People magazine has revealed its sexiest man alive, actor John Krasinski. Better luck next year, Randy Weingarten.
Mega love shout out sa 41 million. Thank you so much.
All right. So Donald Trump is yet to take office, and he's already making an impact. And not just on China, Russia, and Dr. Jill's plans for installing bedside commodes at the White House. No, Trump is also decimating cable news. MSNBC ratings have plummeted since he won. It's so bad, Joy Reid's wigs are looking for work at Jesse Waters' primetime.
Naku, alas 3 naman yung live ni Abra, anak.
Hundreds of layoffs are
GP, thank you, darling. GP, baba mo nga yung main channel mo.
CNN fires Brian Stelter a second time. And the poor guy just installed a shelf for his pies. It's so bad for mainstream media that Chris Wallace has left CNN to start a podcast. He's 77. Think about it. He's leaving legacy media at age
Lucky charm.
77 because he's certain that
Ronald
he's
Amar.
going to outlive it. But sadly, even Fox News is feeling
Meron kang schedule ng live mo, Ronald, nak?